Okay, bread is in the oven. If you're just joining us, we draw one of these a day and I have to finish it by the end of the day. I have to organize it, clean it, declutter it by the end of the day. I can't put the paper away. Okay, today we're doing dishes. Let's go. Sometimes when we're going through spaces in our home, we have to rethink their functionality. How are they actually serving the family that's living there? Today what I want to do is show you a few of those spaces in my own home that I'm realizing that they don't actually have to be housed where they are so that other spaces can be more functional and we don't feel so crammed in our space. We're a family of 6 living in just under 1,800 square feet, and I feel like that should be plenty for our family, but we sometimes feel cramped. One of those spaces is often our kitchen, and I think it's more actually because of functionality and less about the amount of space there is. Let's fix it. One of the biggest areas of frustration for us is this drawer right here. There's a lot of different things going on in this drawer. However, the drawer just below that has a bunch of aprons and supplies for my kids, things that they get into. But I figure the aprons are way easy to hang up. They don't need a drawer space, and use this drawer, utilize it to the full capacity that it has. My husband gets mad every time he opens this drawer because we never can find any lids. Who can relate? So I pull everything out, match the containers to lids. I was taught that you're not supposed to stack dishes. It makes you keep more because you can fit more. But in this space, I am gonna stack my pans because I really just don't have the space not to. I am gonna test out keeping my Tupperware containers with their lid. So when I put my Tupperware away, I actually have to put it away with the lid on. The fact that they have lids, I think, is going to be really helpful. So I am gonna test that, especially since I just cleared out space that's now more functional and I can use it. Back in 2021, when I did this for the first time, we only had one set of dishes for every member of the family. And I think I'm gonna go back to it now because we loved it so much then. If everybody only has one set of dishes, then everybody is taking care of their set of dishes. If their dish isn't clean for the next meal, they don't have a dish to eat on. You have to clean it then. Okay, scratch that. I can't go to one set of dishes per member of the family because I homeschool. From lunch to dinner, I don't do dishes in the middle of the day. So I need a set of dishes for breakfast and lunch, and then a clean set for dinner. Colored dishes are wonderful if you have kids that say, well, that's not my plate. They're all assigned to color. They can't deny it's their plate.